Hey there, Luke with Canix here. Today we're going over an update to creating runs in the manufacturing module. We'll start here in the batch section of our manufacturing module. This update is only for adding runs to a batch. It does not affect templates. I'll start by creating a batch. Now that this batch has been created, I can go ahead and add a run. I'm going to go ahead and associate this 8th jar bill of materials to the run. It will pull up this bill of materials summary that will pull in our cannabis source items. I can choose which output item we're going to be creating on this run and the estimated output quantity. And now we can track the quantity that was originally planned to be produced with this target output quantity field. If it is going to be different from the bill of materials quantity that was used to prefill the run here. This target output quantity field is for reporting purposes only and will not affect the inventory pre-filled on the run. For today, I'm going to go ahead and say that the target output quantity is the same as the estimated output quantity here. We're going to be making one of these jars. I'll go ahead and finish off adding to this run, and I can go ahead and create it. Now we can go into this run, click this edit button on the run details, and it will pull open the edit run side panel. Here we have added in the bill of materials details, and we can easily update the non-cannabis inventory, the source cannabis input placeholders, and the cannabis output package placeholders by editing the estimated output quantity here. So let's say instead of creating one jar, I'm actually going to be creating 3 in this run. I can update that here. It will change the amount of non-cannabis inventory we are going to be using. And I can use this target output quantity here to say at the beginning, we were only going to be making 1. Now we're going to be making 3. And later on, I can report against this number. I can go ahead and update my estimated output items as well. Select save. And we'll now see that the non-cannabis inventory has been changed according to what we changed it to, as well as how much we're going to need to allocate for our source package and how much we're going to be creating as well in our output package here. I hope this was helpful. Thanks for watching.